Welcome to KLBiologyNEET. In this video, we are going to discuss about arteries, veins and capillaries. Before that, in last video, we discussed what was the normal pressure. Yes, it is 120/80 is the normal blood pressure, children. Shall we see the difference between arteries and veins first of all? So, let us take arteries and veins. So, if you see the artery, the outermost layer, we call it as tunica externa. So, in veins also it is tunica externa only. Okay. So, tunica externa is made up of more collagen fiber. Whereas here less collagen fiber. Because of it, it is more elastic. It is less elastic. Now, if you see the middle layer, which is tunica media. So, tunica media is a smooth muscle. You can find here also, of course, tunica media. Tunica media is made of smooth muscle. Here it is, you can find more. Here we find less muscle. Okay. And then you can find endothelium. This is what we call it as tunica intima, which is endothelium. Tunica intima. Tunica intima. Okay. So, tunica intima is endothelium. Present in both. Here also we have. Fine. Can you see the lumen, children? The lumen is very narrow in artery, wider in vein. So, narrow lumen. Wide lumen. Okay. And you know, always arteries carry oxygenated blood except pulmonary artery in adult, umbilical artery in fetus. Okay. Similarly, vein will always carry impure blood except pulmonary vein. So, away from heart it carry the blood, away from heart. It is towards heart. Carry oxygenated blood. Here deoxygenated blood. Okay, exception pulmonary artery. Here pulmonary vein. Of course, in fetus I told you umbilical artery. So, arteries after conducting blood it will be having only 13% of blood, whereas vein will be having 65% of blood. So, the flow of blood as it is elastic, jerky movement and discontinuous. Here it is continuous flow of blood we can find in veins. Now let us see about capillaries, children. So if you see capillaries, where tunica externa, tunica media, both are absent. So only we could find tunica intima, which is endothelial tissue, found in capillary. Understood, children? About arteries, veins and capillaries. Can you tell me which is the only blood vessel of arteries carry impure blood in adult? Post your answers in the comment box, children. Thank you all for watching this video. Any doubts, please post your doubts in Instagram, Telegram or WhatsApp. Subscribe and support. Thank you all.